The big thing that always comes back is my body, my choice, obviously. And the second one that keeps coming back over and over is because I'm a male, I have no right to talk about this issue. When you get those pushback, how would you respond?
Let's do the second one first. Let's go back 160 years. If a slave owner said, unless you have a big farm with slaves, you have no right to talk about this issue, what would people say?
They would laugh at it.
Yeah, that's stupid.
Right.
It's right or wrong regardless of what your position you're in.
Correct.
Okay? The first thing, my body, my choice, that's generally true unless you kill another body in the process. Right? And that's the very question. Is there another human being in there? And we all know there is. There's not a squirrel in there. There's not a raccoon in there. There's a human being in there, and dead things don't grow. So there's a human being genetically in a pregnant woman. And so generally a woman has the right to her own body, but not when she kills another body in the process.
Just as a point of information to show you how radical some of the folks are, I just had 2 days ago a lady referred to an unborn baby as a foreign entity.
Yeah.
That is how cold some of these
Well, I've noticed that people in favor of abortion are already born, right? By the way, there's one other thing that, look, you can deal with arguments all day and people can ignore arguments. They can't ignore what they see with their own eyes. And what I want to do is I want to dare anybody in here, whether you're pro-life or pro-choice, to go to 𝗧𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 and watch the 1 minute and 7-second video on the homepage. 𝗧𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏. If you watch that video and you still go, abortion is a right, I'm not sure you have a conscience. Because you're going to see an abortion in all 3 trimesters. You're going to see the body parts. That's what it is. And if you can't handle the truth, then please don't try and persuade other people to do something which with your own eyes you can see should not be done.